added some extra virgin olive oil and some lemon juice. Oh heck, I'll put a little bit more lime in there. I'll put some lime in there. Okay. And then I added some 21 seasonings. And of course I added a couple teaspoons of the pesto. It's going to give it the pesto flavor. And a pinch of salt. And you just mix it up. This is so easy to make. Take a little tasting spoon. Oh yeah, that's good. Yum! I'm going to add a little bit more salt. Just a little bit. Give that a good stir. If you want to add some onions to that, like little chunks of onion, you can, like a shallot, or, you know, you can even take this little red onion, and I know it's almost gone here, and just slice it up. Okay, just slice it up. Put it in there, stir it up a little bit, and then just kind of pour it in there. If you want to add some nuts to it, for those who are allergic to nuts, I would keep them out. And take your spoon, you stir it up. Now at this point I haven't added my cucumbers yet, because I'm not sure if I want to. I think the salad looks good on its own, just with the ingredients that I have so far. Okay. Yeah, it's looking really good. Take a little. Yum. I mean, there you have it. You have your pasta salad, whatever vegetables you want to add to it. I mean, you have not a limited amount of vegetables you're going to add to this. I mean, really. Limitless. Okay. Oh, one escape. There you have it. You can store it until you're ready to use. Okay. Nice. Noodle salad. Or macaroni salad. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye.